Hey everyone, enjoy the show. From Antiques Network, how you doing? It's the holiday season, and look at these goodies I've got for you. Not to mention what's in the background. We'll talk about those later. Anyways, what we have here is a contemporary, vintage-looking Seeburg teardrop speakers. They would mount on the wall somewhere. Basically, just cool looking. They sound great. This style is the Art Deco design. You probably would have saw these in the 40s and 50s. So anyways, if you've got any kind of stereo that you can hook up, these would be perfect for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.